We're taking a look today at this SR USB mini desktop mic from 7Rhymes. And as this is a microphone review, I will be using this mic as much as possible, and there will be no post-production audio processing done unless otherwise noted, so that what you hear is what you get. I would also like to point out that 7Rhymes did send me this microphone for free, but that will in no way affect my opinion of the microphone. As always, this is a fair and honest review, and the opinions expressed in this video are mine and mine alone. So inside the box, we get paperwork, a USB to USB-C cable, and a USB-C to USB-A cable. And here is the mic itself. And it also comes with this dice bag. Gary Gygax would be proud. The microphone is cool looking, ruggedly built, and much smaller than I expected it would be. They weren't kidding when they called it a mini. This may be the smallest USB mic I've ever reviewed. It has a knob for controlling the audio output level of the headphone jack, and through headphones, it sounds pretty good. Also on the front is a mute button for silencing the audio input of the microphone. The mic swivels and the tensioner knobs feel satisfying. And though it doesn't have a mounting hole on the bottom of the mic itself, the base unscrews so that the swiveling bracket can be mounted on a microphone stand. And here is what the microphone sounds like at what I would consider the optimal distance, about 8 or so inches away from my mouth. And here is what the microphone sounds like at about 2 feet away. And this is what the microphone sounds like at about 4 feet away. And this is what the microphone sounds like at about 6 feet away, and I can't go back any further. And now I'm going to give you an idea of what the microphone sounds like from different directions of the microphone. I'm going to spin it around as I speak, beginning with the front. And this is what the microphone sounds like as I'm speaking into the front of the mic, at about 8 inches away from my mouth. This is what it sounds like when I'm speaking into the side of the mic, at about 8 inches away from my mouth. This is what the microphone sounds like from the rear at about 8 inches away from my mouth. Continuing on to the right side of the left side of the mic, this is what the microphone sounds like as I'm speaking into the other side of the mic. And back around again, this is what the microphone sounds like at about 8 inches away from my mouth. 7Rhymes claims that you can use this microphone with your phone, but I think that's a feature for Apple devices only, and I couldn't get it to work with the included USB-C cable to work on my Android phone. I'm recording all input with this mic in Windows with the default out-of-box settings, which was set at 74 for a volume input. The noise floor seems a little high to me, but still passable and usable. I'm recording all of this audio in OBS Studio. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Sally has a sack of salty snacks. Sally has a sack of salty snacks. I've noticed that this mic does pick up my idle breathing, and here's a sample of me breathing normally, kinda close. The breathing can be remedied with a simple foam windscreen, which is not included with the mic. Though this room is not sound treated, I don't have much running that would make any real noise, so I'm going to turn on an air conditioner fan now to see how noisy this mic gets. So now the air conditioner is running at full blast, and this is what it sounds like in the room with the mic faced away from the air conditioner, about 3 to 4 feet away. I'm going to turn the microphone towards the air conditioner fan and put it a little bit closer, about 2.5 feet away. And here are a few non-vocal based audio samples if sound effects are your thing. So my final thoughts on the 7 Rhymes USB mini microphone. Well, I think it's just a little bit overpriced. Don't get me wrong, I like this mic a lot, but at the time of this recording, it's selling at $80 on Amazon. And though there is currently a 15% off coupon, I still don't think that puts this mic where it needs to be. For $60, you can get a Fifine K678, which will seriously outperform this microphone in sound quality and is built every bit as well. If this 7 Rhymes mic ever drops to a price under $40, that's where I could see this being a good buy. It is small, and admittedly, probably the best sounding small USB mic I've ever tested out. So if having a decent sounding mic that doesn't take up a lot of space on your desk is important to you, then I could see it as being worth the full price. Because the mic does sound okay, but that's just it. It sounds just okay. And at $80, I expect a bit better sound quality. But anyway, I think I've covered everything, so I'm going to wrap this video up here. Be sure to leave a like if this helped you out. Thank you so much for watching. That's it for now, and I'll see you next time.